Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you're managing a YouTube channel and want to upload videos, check analytics, or customize your content, yeah, this guide covers the basics step by step. First, open YouTube and sign into your account. Then click your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once inside, you'll land on the dashboard. This page gives you a quick overview of your latest videos, channel performance, comments, and notifications. To upload a video, click the Create button in the top right corner and select Upload Videos. Then choose the file from your computer. Now enter your video title, description, and thumbnail. These details are important because they help people find your content. Next, select whether your content is made for kids or not. This step is required before publishing. Now head over to the Analytics section to track views, watch time, subscribers, and audience activity. In the Comments tab, you can reply to viewers, remove spam, or approve held comments. You can also customize your channel banner, profile picture, and layout from the Customization section. Once everything is ready, click Publish to make your video live on YouTube. So yeah, that's how to use YouTube Studio in 2026. Once you get familiar with the dashboard, managing your channel becomes way easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.